I'm Mary Roediger, owner of So True Designs and the past national coordinator for the Make It With Wool contest. Wool has always been one of my very favorite fabrics to work with. It's so forgiving and there's so many great properties that I want to share with you today. Wool can be anything from a very sheer fabric to a very chunky and heavy. It comes from the hair from sheep, but it can also include some of the other hair fibers as well. It's a renewable resource. It's green energy. My first sample that I want to show you is a gauze. And gauze tends to be a lightly woven, thin, sheer fabric. This one has some extra texture added. It's going to make up into a wonderful skirt. Gauze will make great over blouses and show off all those nice details that you want to add to it. Shalley is a very popular wool fabric. This again is a sheer lightweight fabric. This makes great blouses, dresses, skirts. You will often find this as a printed fabric. Next we have tropical weights. And this is a relatively new kind of wool. It doesn't have any of that scratch factor. The processes that are used today really strip away a lot of that we think of as the itchy, heavy wools that we used to wear. These are so comfortable and lightweight. These make beautiful shirts and almost feel like you're wearing cotton. It's available in all kinds of woven plaids, stripes, and solids. The tropical weight wools show off temperature control property. It will keep you cool on those warm days and warm on the cool days. It has the ability to absorb moisture and lets the skin breathe. This is one of my favorite kinds of wool fabrics, the crepe. It has a nice pebbly texture that's created by twisting that wool fiber back on itself to make kinks. This will not show wrinkles. It makes great suits, dresses, and all kinds of trousers. The color shows you how much wool fiber will accept the dye, even into the core, and it holds it permanently. So this color is going to stay for the life of your garment. Next, we have menswear, and some of the menswear suitings, because it's such a broad term, are actually tropical weights. They also tend to be harder to work with. They're more difficult to ease because they're so tightly woven, but they do hold all those great details of a tailored suit. And every man knows that when you're done with your suit, you hang it up, because overnight, all those wrinkles will just release back out of the fabric. That's a great thing about the wool fiber. Because of the natural kink and softness to it, it will release all those. Here are some more examples of menswear available in all those traditional neutral colors. So next, here is a piece of wool jersey. And knits are so popular everywhere. You find them in everything from activewear to dressy and classic things. This will show off all those great drape details, a draped collar, a cowl neck. It will also show off soft pleats and gathers. And again, because wool will help control the temperature of your body, you won't find this to get cold or clammy. It makes great active wear. This particular knit has quite a bit of stretch built into it. There's a little bit of lycra in this fabric. And wool has been recently blended with a lot of other fibers. What I'm showing you today mostly are 100% wools, but wool is blended with silk and cotton to take on the best properties of both of those fibers. These next two fabrics are both flannels, and often you think of cotton immediately when the word flannel is used, but a wool flannel is similar. It does have one or both sides soft and fuzzy. This is the fabric that's really easy for beginners to start with. It will ease easily. It's easy to cut out. It doesn't shift around like some of the lighter weights might. And yet, it will make really gorgeous skirts, jumpers, blouses, trousers, and lightly tailored jackets. This one also a lot of times can be felted. So if you're looking for a fabric to do some wool applique with, this can be a great one to start with. The last fabric that I have to show you today is a Melton. And Melton is one of the heavier weights. This is typically used for coats, unstructured jackets, and again, you can see this beautiful rich color that this fabric's been dyed. It will show off all those great top stitching details that you want to add to your coats. And wool is great for outerwear because it's considered a clean fiber. You can actually brush away dirt with a light or a soft brush, and a lot of your spills can be just blotted up from it. So you don't really need to send something to the dry cleaner each and every time you wear it. In fact, it probably prolongs your wool if you don't do that. So I hope that you will take a look at some of the wool fabrics and investigate some of the properties, and I hope that you will give wool a good try.